Hello students, second type of representation of sign bit integer is ones complement. Okay, so what you mean by complement here? Complement is nothing but changing of each 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. That means we are changing or complementing the given 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So ones complement ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. So in this example what we have to do, so we need to find the ones complement of 10101111 base is 2 because this is regarding binary digit. Okay, so we need to find out the ones complement of this 10101111. So first we have to write the original given binary number, that is 10101111. Okay, so after writing the binary number we need to convert the given value of 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So now we'll complement. So use this arrow symbol. We are converting this 1 to 0. Okay, so this 0 to 1. So question al 1 idre answer must be 0. If it is 0 then convert that 0 into 1. So now here it is 1. So I will convert into 0. 1. Then 0. 0. Then 0. Okay, this is how we need to convert or we need to complement by changing of each 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay, so hence ones complement of, so we have to write, so these kind of questions are very important for 1 marks question. Okay, so ones complement of, so what was the question? 10101111. So ones complement of 10101111 base 2 is, now we have to write the answer. What was the answer? 010100. Okay, 010100 base is 2. So this is what the answer. So we have to write, so complement is nothing but changing of given 0 into 1 and 1 to 0. ಸೊ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 1 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಇರೋದನ್ನ 0ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ digits. Okay, so hence the ones complement of question is 10101111 is 010100. So this is the answer. So now we'll see another example. So here we have 11110001. So first what we have to write, we have to take the given original binary values, then that must be complemented by each value. So one will be converted to 0, again another one will be converted to 0, and this one will be converted to 0, 0, then 1, 1, then 0. So what we have to write, hence ones complement of, what was the question? 11110001, 11110001 base is 2. So what is the answer is 00001110 base is 2. Okay, this is how you have to write a given number into the complemented form. So this is regarding ones complement. So now we'll see what is twos complement. So the next type of representation of signed integer is twos complement. How we are going to get twos complement? That is nothing but twos complement equals ones complement plus 1. So first we have to take a ones complement of the given number, and then we need to add that 1 to the least significant bit position. Okay, so then that is going to generate the twos complement. So twos complement is nothing but it's a ones complement plus 1. This 1 must be added with the ones complement value. Okay, so now we'll see an example. So now we'll see how to convert this given 2's complement value, this given binary value into 2's complement. Here we have a question called 101101 with a binary radix. Okay, this value needs to be converted into 2's complement. So first what we have to write, first we have to take the original binary numbers, original binary number. So what is that? That is nothing but the given question. Okay, so what is the original binary number here? 101101. Take that one, 101101. Okay, so how we are going to get any 2's complement number? By adding the 1's complement with 1. Okay, so first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then we need to find the 1's complement for the given binary. 1's complement we have to find out first. So 1 will be converted to 0, then 0 will be converted to 1, this 1 will be converted to 0, again this one will be converted to 0, this 0 will be converted to 1, and this 1 is converted to 0. Okay, so we are done with this part. So we found 1's complement of the given binary number. So in next step what we have to do, we need to add 1 to the LSB. LSB is nothing but least significant bit. So this is least significant bit, this is most significant bit. So where we need to add the 1 to the LSB. So what I have to do, I need to add 1 to the LSB in order to get 2's complement. Okay, so here LSB is 0, I need to add 1. So already we are done with binary addition. So what was the rule? 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 1 plus 0 becomes 1, and 1 plus 1 becomes 0, which is given carry to the next higher column. Okay, so here 0 plus 1 becomes what? 1. 0 plus 1 becomes 1, then remaining will be same, 0 0 1 0. The given base is 2. Okay, so this is how we need to convert any given binary value into the 2's complement. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, first we have to take the binary given binary numbers. So original ಏನು questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, then take the 1's complement for that given binary value. So ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1's complement find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So if it is 1 give 0, if it is 0 give 1. Okay, so 0 ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ 1ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ 0ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, that means for 1's complement. Okay, and then we need to add 1 to the LSB. LSB is nothing but least significant bit. So last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? LSB, least significant bit. The first bit was called as most significant bit, but ನಾವು 1ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? least significant bitಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. all the time we need to add 1. okay, so 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? binary addition we need to perform. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and the remaining value will become same. So if it is 1 and we also have 1, then 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. Okay, so like that we have to convert any given binary number into the 2's complement. So what we have to write now, hence 2's complement of ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ 2's complement ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 101101 base 2 is this one, 010011 base 2. Okay, so this is the answer for this binary value. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so if you have carry then it will be raised to another one number. So 1's complement and 2's complements are very very important, and this you can expect these kind of questions in 1 marks and 2 marks questions. Okay, so we are done with how to represent any given signed integer bit. Okay, so in three ways we can represent a given signed integer. So it can be either in the form of sign magnitude method, ones complement method and twos complement method. So sign magnitude method alli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, if it is positive integer then we need to give a sign bit as 0. If it is negative number we need to give a sign bit as 1, and the remaining magnitude value must be filled. Okay, that is related to sign magnitude method. In ones complement we need to convert the given 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so in another last form, twos complement. So twos complement is nothing but it is a combination of ones complement plus 1. That 1 must be added to the LSB in order to get twos complement. Okay, so ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ 1ಗೆ, 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ 0ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗೆ 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ನ perform ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. then we are going to get twos complement of the given binary value. So we are going to get complement of the given binary value with the help of ones complement and by adding the 1 to the LSB. So this is regarding representation of signed integer values. Okay, thank you.